6 notebooks for 180 rupees and 10 notebooks for 280 rupees. Which is a better deal? Don't guess. Let's use unit rates in today's video. Hi everyone. Welcome to Eazee Math, and in today's video, let's understand unit rates and let's get started. Remember, to find the unit rate, you have to divide the total amount by the number of units, and hence you get the rate or the cost of one single unit. Unit rates are very useful when comparing speed or wages or prices or any quantities, and hence the concept of single quantity. Let's look at few examples of finding the single quantity also. A unit rate tells us what is the cost or price of one unit. In the first line, we have 6 notebooks are for 180 rupees. So here we have to find the cost of one notebook. If the cost of 6 notebooks is 180 rupees, the cost of one notebook will be 180 divided by the quantity, the total amount divided by the quantity we have taken. So here 6 times 3 is 18, hence the cost of one notebook will be 30 rupees. This is the cost of one notebook. In the second deal that one was getting, it is 10 notebooks for 280 rupees. So to be able to find the cost of one notebook, again I will divide the amount by the quantity, which is 10. So the cost of one notebook will be 280 divided by 10, which will be 28 rupees. That means the second deal is cheaper. Let's look at an example of finding the single quantity also, apart from only unit rates or cost of one unit. So apart from the prices, how do we find single quantities? Let's say I have 4 cartons of milk, and those 4 cartons of milk contain total of 8 liters of milk. So what will be the quantity of milk in carton? To find this, you will have to divide the total quantity of milk by the number of cartons here. So the total quantity of milk here is 8 liters, and when I divide this by the number of cartons, this will give me 2 liters. And hence the quantity of milk in one carton of milk packet is 2 liters. Let's look at the second example. Maya reads 30 pages in 3 hours. So how many pages will she read in 1 hour? To solve this question, we will have to divide the total number of pages by the total number of hours. So we will do total number of pages, which is 30, divided by the total number of hours, which is 3. 30 divided by 3 gives me 10. So Maya is reading 10 pages in 1 hour. Here's a question for you. If 6 chocolates cost 18 rupees, what will be the cost of one chocolate? And before you solve the question, remember the formula. To find the unit value or price of any item, you just have to follow this formula, wherein you have to divide the total value or price or cost by the total quantity. You can pause the video here and solve this question. Do mention your answers in the comments. I hope this video helped you learn unit rates and quantities. Happy learning. Wish you the best.